The new features I want to introduce now are two capabilities that will help you reduce downtime on your systems when doing maintenance hugely. The ability to move indexes and tables with zero downtime, and then the ability to move entire table spaces with zero downtime. Now, it has been possible for some time to move tables without downtime using the DBMS redefinition package, but that was pretty awkward to use, particularly when there were a large number of dependent objects, such as triggers, many graphs. It was difficult to do. With 12c, it's one very straightforward procedure call. So, I shall create a table called move in the table space users. And I'll create an index called move I, also in the table space users. The proof of where these objects are, we query user segments, and there they are, both in the table space users. Our new procedure call is this. DBMS redefinition, redef table, and with one procedure call it will do the entire operation of moving the table plus its dependence objects to a new table space. In this case I've nominated example. Now, while that is going on, I can query the table. I can even do DML against the table. Delete a row, commit. All I'm doing is moving the table. There are in fact many more things one can do with that one procedure call. Here's the full description of it. The procedure redef table. We can change the compression. We can change the compression for the indexes. We can manipulate the lobs. We can move lobs to a new table space, compressing as we go. We can even convert them from traditional lobs to secure file lobs. And all that just with the one straightforward procedure call, which I see is now completed. And to confirm it, my objects were in the table space users, they're now in the table space example. But if that was very quick and easy, it was only simplifying something that was in fact possible with earlier releases. But now we have something that is completely new, and that's the ability to move data files. I'm sure we all know how to move data files. You take the table space offline, physically move the data files, update the control file with the new file names, bring everything back online. It works, but there's massive downtime while it's going on. Our man might make it a bit simpler, but the technique is the same. There's still downtime while the operation is in progress. Not anymore. Look at where my data files are at the moment. There they are. We have a new command with 12c. Alter database, move data file. Nominate the data file. I'll nominate user01dbf, and then give it a new file name. And while this move is in progress, it's happening right now, your applications are continuing to operate. Normal select and DML will continue against all the objects in the table space of which that data file is a part. And the proof, there's the new file name there. And that is magic.